using ArayMusic is simple. First, log into your ArayMusic account, then click on Finance and Withdrawal. Here we have multiple withdrawal options. The process is the same for any crypto wallet or exchange. Then select the exchange and click on Next. Here, first you have to enter the payment details. You can simply click the icon, or you can find the same option in the profile settings page. If you are withdrawing using crypto, then simply enter your USDT TRC20 address. Enter PIN and click on Save. Then go to the withdrawal section again and enter the amount. Then click on Next. Review the details again, enter your PIN, and click on Confirm. Congratulations, your payout request has been submitted successfully. Also, the minimum withdrawal is $20 and withdrawals are processed every Tuesday and Friday. Once you submit the payout request, it takes a few minutes, and then you can see the amount in your crypto wallet.